In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a stamp in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile or preferences area. This is usually where DocuSign stores personal settings and customization options, so if the layout looks slightly different on your screen, that's completely normal. After that, open the Signatures and Stamps section. This is where you can manage the visual items you use when preparing and signing documents. In this section, select Create Stamp or Add Stamp to begin setting up a new stamp. DocuSign will then give you options for how you want to create it. You may be able to upload an image or create a stamp using the available built-in options. Choose the method that works best for you. If you're uploading an image, go ahead and upload the stamp image when prompted. Make sure the image is clear and easy to read, since that will affect how it appears on your documents. Next, adjust the stamp settings and appearance. Depending on what options are available, you may be able to control things like size, formatting, or how the stamp will display. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks clean and professional before moving on. Once you're happy with the appearance, enter a name for the stamp. Pick something simple and recognizable so it's easy to find later, especially if you plan to create more than one stamp. After naming it, review the stamp preview carefully. This is your chance to confirm that the design, placement, and overall look are correct. When everything looks right, select Save to create the stamp. Now that your stamp has been created, open a document that supports stamps. Inside the document tools, select the Stamp tool. This will allow you to access any stamps available in your account. Choose the stamp you just created, then place it in the desired location on the document. Try to position it neatly so it doesn't cover important text or signatures. Finally, verify that the stamp appears correctly. Check that it's the right stamp in the right place and displayed clearly on the page. If needed, you can usually reposition it before finishing your document workflow. And that's it. You've successfully created and applied a stamp in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.